Page 14, A Nutty Song. On page 14, at the top of the page, they're introducing a G major hand position. We've had C major position. I just call it C position because I'm lazy and I don't want to have to say major every time. Generally, if you don't say major or minor, it's implied it's major. So in the C position, it's here, bottom note's C. And a G position, it's here, bottom note's G. Really hard, ain't that? Okay. That is a G position, or G major position. There's a preparatory drill like you've had before on This Time You're Here. Have fun with that. I'm not going over it. You can go over that yourself. What I want to talk about here is they're introducing a key signature. See, we've had time signatures. That's the numbers, 4/4. And in this case, it is 4/4. It could be 3/4. It could be who knows what. But it's 4/4 in this piece. So the time signature is 4 notes to a measure. We're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, blah. And then we're counting quarter notes. We've done that a lot. Our quarter note gets a count. Between the clef sign and the time signature, there's a sharp sign, that little hashtag thingy-majigger. That is called a key signature. You've actually had key signatures right from the beginning of the book. You just didn't know it because there weren't any sharps or flats shown. And that is the key of C major. Well, that works out pretty good because we were in C position for all those things. Well, we were also in C major, and the key is C. Well, now we're in the key of G. G major has 1 sharp. Now it's time, if you haven't, to go to my scale videos and do the beginner scales on C major and G major. I probably should have told you to do the C major earlier. I didn't. Duh. However, go ahead and do the C major scale, the beginner, just the beginner part, and also do the G major scale and stick with them. Just every day go over them really carefully and get them. And I recommend with a metronome. Don't play them fast, just play them. 1 hand at a time and then both hands together, just like the video tells you to do. That sharp sign there, if you look at the treble clef, the top clef, that sharp sign is on the top line. Well, if you had a note on that line, it would be an F. Whether you know it or not, any note on that top line in treble clef is an F. Well, the sharp is there, and that's why it's an F sharp. They're telling you all Fs in this piece are automatically sharps. Now, they don't go in and put a hashtag on every F. They just need the one that tells you. In the bass clef, it's on the next to the top line, and if a note appears on that line, it is an F. So each clef is telling you all Fs are sharped. As far as I know, they'll always be the same. You're not going to get one set of sharps or flats in one clef, one staff, and a different staff. I've never seen that. That would be way too confusing. They'll always be the same. So just know, memorize it, 1 sharp shown in the key signature is G major. All Fs are automatically sharped. In this A Nutty Song, we don't have any Fs, so it doesn't matter. But if there were any Fs, they would be sharped. So what I would like to do now is play A Nutty Song with you slowly, and let's see if we can do it. It's just the same kind of stuff we've done, except now you're in a different hand position, and you might have to learn new notes. Make sure you know the names of the notes in the staff, and the names of the notes on the keys. It's really important. Don't just read the finger numbers. Since it's in 4/4 time, it'll give us 4 counts. So go ahead and put your hands in G position. One, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 4,